just to show you that these methods are very scientific. Excuse a personal reference, but one time I was meditating very deeply in the beginning as the Master taught me how to do it. I felt my body cold. Why? Because the energy had been withdrawn from the body into the spinal region and the head was hot at this point. The energy had been withdrawn into the spinal region and had gone upward to the great supreme center of the brain where God and his angels dwell. And concentrating through the spiritual eye, I got a glimpse of a beautiful scene, which I will not describe, but I asked the Master what it was. He said, "You have glimpsed the shores of cosmic consciousness. I tell you this to show you it can be done right here on earth." Now, I wasn't dead. My body was cool because the energy had been withdrawn. That happens to you in sleep. The temperature drops. In fainting, the blood leaves the head and goes into the abdomen, and you'll feel cold all over. I felt cold, that is, as I felt the body, but I was perfectly awake, perfectly conscious. In fact, I was more conscious than right now talking to you. And penetrating as I tried, with great love for the Infinite Father, that little vision of heaven came. And the Master corroborated it, that it was just a little glimpse of cosmic consciousness.